You put that nicely done. That's as good as it gets. Go a little high where you see it, and then have the wherewithal to put down and stick it out.
Oh, your baby's so pretty. Hi, baby. There's your baby. Love your baby. Go let Papa love you. Go let Papa see your baby. We'll take your baby to Papa. Papa want to see the baby. Hi. Oh, what's your name? Jaiden. How old are you, Jaiden? Let me see. How old are you? Where you going? Wait a minute, I gotta find you again. Where you going? Oh, I don't want to go back outside now. No. No, no. No, I'm not going outside. Leave that alone. Where is Jaiden? Hi. Hey, go, you little midget. Where'd you go? Hold on. Nope. Gonna go back. You gonna fall? Somebody's gonna fall? Huh? Come on. Come on. Well, come on. Come on. Come on. No, come on now. Bring your little tail here. Come here. Well, go fall out. Go. No, you're not going back up there. No. 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 You're not going back up there. No. Go back in there. Show me a little time to say it. You gonna fall out? Okay. Fall out. You're on tape. You want to fight? So ugly. Come on. Come on. Is that crazy or what? Come here. You're not going there.